We're going to show you the best ways to join paths in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start with the fastest option, the Join command. Selecting our path, head up to Object, down to Path and Join. You can also use the key press Command or Ctrl J. This creates a straight segment between the open points of the path. Let's undo that and look at averaging. Using the Direct Selection tool, select two open endpoints and head back up to Object, Path, Average and choose both. Click OK. This lines the points up perfectly but doesn't join them together. For more hands-on control, Illustrator's Join tool lets you draw across open endpoints. Select your paths, choose the Join tool from under the Shaper tool stack, then click and drag across the ends you want to merge. This extends the open paths in a straight line until they intersect and then automatically joins them together. Very useful, but let's have a look at how to connect the paths in a smooth curve. There are options to continue drawing a path using tools such as the Pencil tool or Astute Graphics' DynamicSketch. With DynamicSketch, as you draw near an existing path, the affinity symbol appears, letting you know it'll automatically join. DynamicSketch also shows a preview of the path and has a string pulled cursor, making tracing super easy. But let's look at some of the other Astute Graphics features that make this process even quicker and more accurate. The Connect tool from PathScribe lets you connect 2 points while keeping the new segment perfectly tangent or perpendicular. Click the first point, which will highlight itself with a red circle, and the rubber band will follow the cursor and snap to another open endpoint, and the connection is super smooth, keeping the geometry of the path's handles. And finally, we'll take a look at PathScribe. Select your path, open the PathScribe panel. The quickest way is to select the tool from the toolbar, head up to the 3-bar fly-up menu and choose Close Path with Smooth Curve. This creates new handles for the segment that blend smoothly with the existing path segments. 6 very different ways to join open paths in Adobe Illustrator. You can find out more about Astute Graphics using the link in the description.